Elon Musk is doubling down on robotics, AI, and self-driving tech as Tesla's next big revenue drivers. With the EV market facing challenges, slumping sales and consumer pushback over Musk's political moves, Tesla is shifting gears. But while the road ahead is rocky, one project is stealing the spotlight: Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot. Fans are hyped. Some want a personal assistant, others are eager to see how far Tesla can push robotics, and Tesla isn't holding back, dropping regular updates on Optimus' progress. But in a surprising twist, Milan, Kovacs, Optimus' technical lead, just announced his exit after nearly a decade at Tesla. Calling it the hardest decision of his life, Kovacs cited family reasons, shutting down any rumors of drama. He left on good terms, praising Musk and expressing full confidence in Tesla's team to take Optimus to the next level. Musk thanked him for his contributions, and fans, us included, are sad to see him go. His breakdowns of Optimus tech were gold. Why Optimus could be a game changer. Optimus is learning at an insane pace thanks to video training. Show it a YouTube tutorial on cooking, cleaning or lawn care. Boom, it masters the task. Musk calls this task extensibility, the ability to learn anything quickly. But the real magic, its hands. Musk says they're the toughest engineering challenge, with 22 degrees of freedom, just shy of a human's 27. Why? Because human intelligence is in our hands. They're key to Optimus outperforming rivals. Skeptics versus believers. Some doubt Tesla can pull this off. After all, they're a car company. But Musk isn't playing by the rules. Tesla's reusing EV parts, motors, batteries to cut costs, giving them a huge edge over competitors starting from scratch. And here's the kicker: Optimus isn't just a factory bot. Musk's long-term vision, a household helper, cooking, cleaning, even playing games with next-level AI. Imagine it reading your gestures, point at the floor, it mops, rub your stomach. It brings food. The bigger picture, a $25 trillion company. Musk believes Optimus could make Tesla worth more than Apple, times 8. If Optimus nails real-world tasks, demand could be insane. Think $30,000 for a bot that replaces a housekeeper, tutor or shop clerk. Would you buy one? But there are hurdles. Can Optimus move past demo reels? Will it actually be useful? And what about ethics? Musk swears it won't go Terminator mode, just a friendly helper. What's next? Optimus Gen 3 is coming, likely pricier but way more advanced. If it hits $60,000 but does everything, would you pay up? For now, Tesla's betting began. The world is watching. So, what do you think? Is Optimus the future, or just hype? Drop your thoughts below.